Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries CNC/manual flatbed lathe, model TRL 1540V, serial number 044BA1310. Machine was new in 2004. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Trak VL control. Right now he's using the pulse generator hand wheel to simulate a manual hand wheel, moving it left and right. Cross travel, again, you can see it on the control as a digital readout. You can also use the rapid. He's rapiding the cross slide, the X and the Z. Both axes are quiet, the ball screws and the motors. We're going to run the spindle, which we're running right now.
Like
500 RPM. You have up to 4,000 RPM. There are 3 ranges. 1,000 RPM. 1,500 RPM. 1,800. The machine right now has a 8-inch 6-jaw Bison set true chuck on it. We also have a 10-inch 4-jaw Bison chuck. Again, that's a Dorian indexable turret. That's the tailstock he's moving out now, which is a number 4 Morse taper with 5 inches of quill travel. We're going to index the turret, which is a Dorian Smart Dex. Indexing, there you go. Do it again. Indexing the other way. Okay. You want to actually just change the spindle speed range?
Variable 1 range.
Oh, what's variable 1 range? Okay, variable in 1 range. Thank you for watching our video.